Connect to your data source. A data source is the table where your Canvas app writes and retrieves its data. PowerApps delegates many of its functioning responsibilities to its data source, Delegation. The most common options for a data source are Dataverse, SharePoint List, Excel and SQL. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by pressing the data icon from the menu at the left of the screen, followed by Add Data. We then search for and select SharePoint for our data source. A menu appears on the right of the screen that lists all the recent SharePoint sites that you have accessed. You can connect from selecting from this list. But we have created environment variables, so select Advanced to see the environment variables. Select the data source environment variable that we created within our solution. Like before, we now see all the SharePoint lists that are affiliated to the SharePoint site that we have connected. Again, select Advanced and choose the SharePoint list environment variable that we created. Once you have entered the above, press the Connect button. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.